welcome to this video. So, in today's video, we are gonna be talking about expansion formulae for 8th class part 1 video. So, let's get right into the video. So, basically, on the expansion formulae, there are based this lesson is basically based on expansion formulas. Expansion formulas are very important while solving algebraic type of sums, word problems, etc. etc. So algebraic formula is also important. The next year, ninth standard, you have a separate book that is called algebra. It is fully based on formulae. So always remember, you should be always knowing whichever formula you are learning this year to the expansion formula. There are many lessons. Okay, so you should be thorough with those formulas. Okay, everyone. So let's get right into the video. First, there are first three formulas which are very important. Okay, first we'll go for this one formula, important formulas. First one, I think everyone knows the formula, that is a plus b the whole square. A plus b the whole square. Yes, let me write. So you will get an idea. A plus b the whole square. The formula for a plus b the whole square, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Next one, that is a minus b the whole square. Is a square minus 2ab plus b square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. And the third one, that is a plus b, a minus b, that is a square minus b square. Yes, that is a square minus b square. You should always be knowing those sums, those formulas which are very important. So let's solve the practice set 5.1. Let's solve the practice set 5.1. Your textbook page number, that is 24. Textbook page number 24. The question number 1, they are given practice set 5.1. The first one, that is a plus 2 a minus 1. A plus 2 a minus 1. So to multiply this by this one, then this a by this. If that over, then again the second digit multiply by this one and again this one. Okay, a into a plus a into a plus a into minus 1. A into minus 1 plus 2 into a plus 2 into minus 1. 2 into minus 1 into a, that is a square, plus a into minus 1 into minus 1, and here 2 into a, which is common here. Yes, a is common. Okay, we'll take a outside the bracket, and we'll solve here. Yes, 2 minus 1 plus 2 ones are 2 plus minus minus. Yes, so we'll bracket minus 2. So a square plus 2 minus 1, that is 1, that is a. 1a or 1 is always common. 1a or a is same. Okay, 1a or a is same. Plus minus minus a square plus a minus 2. A square plus a minus 2. The second one is m minus 4 m plus 6. Minus 4 m plus 6, same which I told earlier. M would be multiplied by this one. Okay, sorry for this. So we will get an clearance. Yes, okay. M with this one and again with this one, and 4 with m and 4 with 6. Okay, now let's solve. That is m into m into m plus, okay, m into 6, m into 6 plus minus 4 into m, okay, minus 4 into m plus minus 4 into 6 plus minus 4 into 6. So m square, m into m square, which is common, m is common. So we'll write minus 4 plus 6 m plus minus, okay, 4, 6 fours are 24, okay, minus 24. Yes. So the next one we can directly will get m square plus minus minus 6 minus 4 2, the greater number sign, so we have wrote 2, greater number sign, so we wrote 2m plus minus minus, that is 24, that is 24, m square plus 2m minus 4, m square plus 2m minus 4. Next, the third one is p plus 8 and p minus 3. P plus 8 and p minus 3, multiply here this with this one, then 8 with p, and again 8 with 3. Okay, now let's solve. It is p into p plus p into minus 3 plus 8 into p plus 8 into minus 3. P into p plus p into minus 3 plus 8 into p plus 8 into minus 3. Now p into p, that is p square plus, okay. So what will be the formula for this one? Yes, that we have to take 8 minus 3p plus 8 threes are, yes, 8 threes are minus 24, because 3 is in the negative sign, because 3 is in the negative sign. P square 8 minus 3, yes, we are getting as 5p plus minus minus, so minus 24, minus 24. I think students are getting easy. It's not a very big. This is a basic one which I solved in the previous year. Yes, that is your 7th standard. This is a basic for this. Now we'll go on to the next one. The question number fourth one. Question number 4. P plus 8, P minus 3. P plus 8, P minus 3 again. P into P. Okay, sorry, I wrote the same question. Sorry for the inconvenience. Okay, I think I'm wrote mistake. Okay, the next one, that is 13 plus x, 13 minus x, 13 plus x and 13 minus x. Same, 13 into 13 plus 13 into minus x plus x into 13 plus x into minus x into minus x. Here they have given the variable in the second one, not in the first form, that is they were given in the second one. Okay, So do not worry, we'll solve those sums. 13 threes are, yes, 13 threes are. First we'll write 13 square plus common, that is we got both the numbers are common, but we have done with the 13. Okay, first we got 13, so we'll take x, because 13 don't have any positive, they are in the positive, but x and x in the positive negative, so we'll take xn in the bracket form. That is x minus x is to 13 plus x into x square, that is minus x square, because one number is negative. I, why did I put this x? We can take 13 also, but 13 is in positive, we can get directly. But one x is in the negative and another x is in the positive. So so I took that one first, which would be the very easy for us to solving the sum further. Okay. So next one, that is 13 square is 169 plus minus minus, that is 0 into 13. 0 into 13 and minus x square. Is it, we can leave this formula like this only with this sum? No. So 169 plus 13 into 0. What is the answer we are getting? It is 0 minus x square. So in the formula we can't write directly 0, that is 169 plus minus minus x square. Plus minus minus x square. I think everyone understood. Yes, you can go back, you can rewind again, you can see again. Okay, the next one, that is the fifth one. That is 3x plus 4y and 3x plus 5y. 3x plus 5y. That is 3x again into 3x plus 3x into 5y plus 4y into 3x plus 4y into 5y. 4y into 5y. So in this sum, both the numbers have their variable. That is in both the form, the first form, second form, both the numbers have variable. Okay. So the next one, 3x into 3x, that is 3x the whole square, right? Plus, now it is common here, that is 3. So we'll take 3 here as a common, 5y plus 3x. 4 5s are 20, 20y square, 20y square. Okay. So 3 square 9, x square is x square. Plus 4 plus 5, 9, 9y into 3x plus 20y square. 9y plus 3x plus 20y square. So 9x square plus 3 nines are 27 yx plus 20y square. 20y square. I think everyone understood. This sum is contains both the numbers, yes, which is variable. Okay, rewind again. You can see how I calculated. For again, I will show that rough one which I did earlier. Okay, 3x with 3x, again 3x with 5x, then 4y from 3 from this one. Okay, you can draw while solving with you can draw that arrow with the pencil, not with the pen. Okay, not with the pen. Solve those sums, you will get an idea. The further sums will solve in the next video. Till that time, bye everyone. Take good care of yourself. Please like, comment, share and subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so you can get new videos which I have uploaded for your max. If you are getting any doubt based on this expansion formulae, please write in the comment section. I would feel free to answer you.